Hi History Hounds and Happy Campers. Those of you who don't know me, I'm Laura. Today I'm going to bring you a little bit of what we try to figure out. We were looking at electric bikes, we were looking at electric scooters, which one would be best to take, which one would be best work our purposes. So we ended up buying electric scooters, the NAVEE electric scooter V25 Pro. We're going to try it out. We're going to see if it works. If it doesn't, I don't know what we're going to do with them, or then we'll just pick up some electric bikes. So it is, let's see, it goes at speeds at 19 miles per hour. It folds up, so you don't have to leave it up all the time. And we're going to unbox it to show you what it looks like. When you're traveling in an RV, space is everything. Today we're unboxing the NAVEE V25 Pro electric scooter. We needed a way to zip around historic towns and cities without having to move our rig or find massive parking spots for our trailer. Is this the missing piece to your RV setup? We're unboxing and testing the NAVEE V25 Pro electric scooter today. We are going to put the scooter to the test. How easy is it to assemble? Does it actually fit in an RV storage bay? And can it handle the typical roads of an RV campground? Join the pack, and if you love RV gear reviews, California history, and our History Hound Lua, hit the subscribe button. Let's get to unboxing. All right, we already zipped it open, so let's pull it out. A lot and lot. This is your electric cord to charge it. Here are some instructions. And I'm going to stand up for this one. See what they got in here. It weighs about 36 or 38 pounds, I think. I'll get that checked on it. Pretty easy to take out. Nice matte black. Pneumatic wheels, not the plastic ones. The range is 15 miles, I believe. The range of it's 15.5 miles. It weighs 32 pounds. And the max mile per hour is 19. So you're gonna hit this button right here. First, you're gonna lock it up. So it lifts up. It's down like this. Whoops, sorry. It's down like this. You're gonna lift it up and then lock it in. You hear that click? To unlock it, you just lift it up and pull it back. Again, lock it to the snap. Okay? Same with the top one. You're gonna unlock it, put the button down, unlock it, turn it until you see how it closes in right there. Hit the snap, and that's basically it. You're all ready to go. It does have a kickstand, which is nice. We're debating on these or the electric bikes. So let us know in the comments which one you prefer, if you have this and if you like it. So let me see if it's charged up. I do have another one charged up already. I think I'm going to go grab that, but this is how you turn it on. It does have the LED display. It has your little bell. Oh. There we go. Oops, sorry. Learn how to do it. Your LED display, you turn it on. This particular model, I don't know about any other scooters, you have to give it a kick push and then you can go. So let me try this one. Oh, let me try barefooted here. Okay. And try it in the backyard. So we'll try it in the backyard and see if it'll work for me, unless I need to grab the other one that's fully charged. Okay, Lua, you gotta move, baby. Move, Lou. So you just get a couple kicks, you hit the button, and you're off. It does not go up these big things I hear. That's the only thing bad I found out with the smaller tires. If you have to go up a thing like that, it's gonna stop you in your tracks. So we have to go up over the top because of trees. Going down, no problem. Going up, no, that one's not so bad. Move, Lua. Move, Lua. You just see Lua likes it. It is a lot of fun though. So it does have a brake on it. Make sure you use that brake. I know I used to just jumping off, but you hold that brake and it stops you pretty good. And then it'll tell you when you need to charge it and your miles per hour. I have to read up on more of the rest of it. It does have a light. It has the back light and the front light that comes on, which is a nice plus, especially at night. So, are you still recording? Yeah. So let us know in your comments. Do you prefer the scooters or do you prefer the electric bikes? We'd really like to know to see if we're making the right choice on scooters or just bite the bullet and get the electric bikes. I know electric bikes take a lot more room than the scooters. Most likely we'd have to put something on the back of the truck to see if it would work. So to unfold it, all we're going to do is hit the button again, the same as we put it up. Hit that button in the back. You always push down. Don't force it. Turn it to the side. Go back down, same as this one up here. But this one down here has a little thing right here, and that's what it's going to catch right here. No, it doesn't close it, I don't believe, to make it straight. So then you can just carry it if you need to go up. It is a little heavy just to carry. You wouldn't want to, you'd have to somehow lock it up outside if you're worried about someone taking it, because you never know. You don't have a key, obviously, on these, so you don't know if somebody's if you're gonna go to a museum and ride around the museum, I would suggest you lock it up. It is too heavy to carry around, or you might not have it when you get back. So I don't know. Let me put it back. And the charging port, after you take the green off, but the charging port is right here, and you just plug it in right in there. Plug it into any outlet, let it charge up. It's a nice non-slip deck on it. I'll take it off. So very nice. We'll see how we like it in with the traffic, in and out, around everything, and yeah, make sure you turn it off when you're not using it. Okay, what it does have right here is for your charging. If it gets low, it starts to blink. It tells you, or it just stops, which we did. Then on our other one, it just totally stopped. Your mile per hour has a Bluetooth, and then it has a sport mode or a drive mode, which I have to read up on that. The display is 4 inches wide and 1 brake. And of course your bell to get those people out of your way because you want to go get to the next history. The light automatically comes on, does it not? Oh, so you have to hit down twice for light, I believe, and once. After you turn it on, let us know in the comments if you would choose a scooter over an electric bike. If you have the room for an electric bike, that's great. If you don't, what are your comments? What are your suggestions? Leave us in the comments and we'd appreciate it. And we read every one of your comments. If you got value from this video, please hit the subscribe and like button. We're enjoying every minute of making these videos for everybody. So if you'd like to see something else that we have, something else that we need to unbox, let us know in the comments. Bye, Lua. Say bye, Lua. Say bye. All right, History Hounds. Keep your history deep and your trails happy. See you next time.